lovelies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Moba. Thank you so much for clicking my video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your lashes for a beginner. And this video is going to be centered towards people that have coily lashes, mostly black people though. I have coily lashes, so it's been so hard for me to fix my lashes and to follow tutorials on YouTube where they basically just tell you to take this and pick up your lashes and then stick it in and it goes. I have done that 1,000,001 times, and let me tell you, it never works, like ever. My lashes tend to reject the false lashes and the false lashes bounce back, so it's very crazy. But I have found tips and tricks along the way that has helped me to make my lashes stay forever. No demon can take them out except you want to take them out yourself. So if you want to see how to fix your lashes, if you have been struggling for so long, this is the right moment. Make sure you click the subscribe button down below. You have to be subscribed to my channel before you can learn about my tips and tricks. I'm sorry. It's the rules, I'm sorry. So make sure you click the subscribe button down below and click the bell so that you'll be notified. Like, that one is part of it too. Let me just stop talking and let's just jump into this video. Okay, what you need to fix your fake lashes is first of all a pair of false lashes. This is the one I'm going to be fixing today. If I have eyeshadow on, I will fix like a more fluffier one and not a thick one like this. But because I don't have any eyeshadow on today, no eyeshadow makeup, I'm going to be fixing this thick one. You also need this, but I don't think you're going to be using much of it. You need a scissors and you need your glue. For some people they need this, but this is one of the problems. Like when I watch eyelash tutorials, I see them with this. I'm like, why do I need an eyelash coiler if my lashes are already coily? Like, I need an eyelash straightener. Hot iron. So I'm going to be teaching you two methods on how to fix your lashes. This side is going to be like the regular eyelash side, and this side I'm going to be implementing some of the acts that I have learned along the way. So let's go. First, you take your lashes off the box. Yeah. By the side, you see, focus. Yeah. By the side, you see extras. So that is what you do with your scissors. You cut out the extras. If you don't, like, you are going to be uncomfortable throughout the entire day because that is going to continue choking and poking you, and that's not something that you want. So you cut it out. The next thing that you need to do is actually size it to your eyelid to make sure that it's your size. Like, this is my size. If it wasn't my size, I'll just cut out from the edges to make it my size. So that's that about that. Another very important thing in fixing eyelash is the glue. Before, I used to use this glue, and let me tell you, this thing does not do crap. Like, it will not even work. Your lashes will not even gum. It will not, the lashes will not glue to your eyes. Let's just put it like that. So these days I use this hair bond. This is to bond like we bond to your head, but this helps me to hold the lashes in place. Like, no demon will be able to remove it except I personally want to. So now I take little bit at the back of my hand, then I use the back of my brush, any brush, and just apply it to the band. I apply it inside the band and on top of the band. Because my lashes is so coily, if you don't do stuff like this, it's just, as in, this false lash is going to bounce out of your eyes. So all my black girls out there that have coily lashes just like me, this is going to help you for life. So if you are doing this professionally, like for a client, I suggest that you just wave it like this. This will reduce like bacteria infection. But if it's for yourself, blow it, sis, blow it. Blow it and make it dry and become a little bit tacky. Now, some people like to apply mascara first before they apply their first lashes. I'm not one of those people. I am not some people, because where my applying of lashes is very like messy for me. So me applying mascara then under my eyes is black. No. Now, the normal way they do it, you use this thing to hold the lashes and then you stick it into your eyes. First of all, I do not trust this thing, but we're just going to do it. One tip I want you to know is have a little mirror in your hand. Have a little mirror in your hand. Put it down, and when you apply your lashes, be looking down at it. That way your lashes is going to apply very well. Because if you're looking up like this, your lashes is going to be facing up, and you don't want that. Me, I don't want that. You don't want that. Nobody wants that. So look down and place your lashes. See the problem? I cannot apply lashes with this thing. I trust my hand, so I'll just use my hand to position it where I want it to go. Because I know my hands are like way too big and they're not going to poke me, but that thing can easily shoot my eye, and I'm afraid, like, I don't want to get blind. I'm not yet married, please. I'm not sure if anybody wants to marry me if I'm blind, when there are many girls out there that can see, so please. So now I've applied that. Now another trick that I want to tell you about applying lashes is, this is an old eyeliner. So I like take the wand of the eyeliner because it's so pointy, and like I said, I take the wand of the eyeliner and dip it into the glue, and then I gently apply it to my lash line, like closely to my lash line. Especially at the inner corner, because that is where my lashes tend to lift from. This is like a hack, and trust me, if you try this, you will see that it was worth it. Like, then I take my lashes. I like applying my lashes with my hand because, like I said, I trust my hand. So in case if you have been trying using that thing to hold your lashes and faces and it has been so difficult, try applying it with your hands. I'm sure maybe there will be a difference. Don't forget to look down when applying your lashes and place it in. You see how easy that went? Because there was already glue before, that just goes easy. But I know my lashes, I know what's gonna happen, so I just like to press both my fake lash with the first lash and gum them together, like make sure they are married, like they have to stay together, there's no divorce. And this was like so very easy to do. So you see, you can follow the step of applying glue first. That one will help your lashes to stay. Like, no demon, no rain, no sun can ever take these lashes from here, except you decide to remove it. And don't be afraid, when you're taking it off, your lashes are not going to come out with it. Like, your lashes are still going to be there. The first lash is going to come out. So this is the point where if you choose, you can apply mascara. So I'm just going to apply mascara just to kind of join both the fake lash and the natural lash together, and to blacken the natural lash, because all of the concealer and eyeshadow that you must have applied must have made it white or another color. This is basically it. It was that easy, it was that simple. So I'm just going to do the rest of my face and be right. So guys, I really hope that you learned something from the eyelash tutorial. I really hope that you are going to try the way I fix my lashes to see if you can be able to fix yours like that. And if you have been having problem fixing your lashes for so long, I really hope that you try this my routine so that you see if it will help you or improve in your lash fixing. I really hope. Why am I hoping so much in this video? God, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe down below by clicking the subscribe button. Also click the bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up, please. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.